Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I will be taking about how to create a platform event in Salesforce. Okay, it's so simple as you see, right? In day to day, you will always try to create a custom object. Is as same as creating a platform event. The platform event comes with it can be published anywhere. Like it can be published within the Salesforce, or it can be invoked through API. That's a benefit. Like you can operate your asynchronous operation into asynchronous way. But platform events, if I consider it to say, it are classified in two types, like after commits and before commits. Like technically, right, depends upon your transaction. Do you want to perform your transaction, I mean your platform execution, as soon as you publish your event base, or do you want to publish it after your transaction successful? Let's say you are performing some DML operations. You have to wait until your transaction is successfully completed, and then you need to publish it. Okay. Yeah, it's more about that. Let me create a simple platform event. I'm already in setup. You can see in my Salesforce, and let me navigate to platform events. So all you need to do a quick find platform events. So you can see under integrations you have a platform events. Inside platform events, you can click platform events. So as I mentioned, platform events also comes with some standard fields, and you can also create custom field with some set of data types. You can't create any data types. Okay, so let me create my first platform event. So I name it as like data processor. I'm saying my platform event as data process. Going forward, I'll use this platform event in my next series of LWRs. So I'll try what I'll do. My idea is to publish the data to an event, and the event handler should update my database. I mean, S objects, the required S objects based on the JSON, whatever we are inputting out. Let's say plural. I'm just missing data processes, data process alone. I'm not changing anything. So you can see the highlight thing, as I mentioned here, the key behavior is publisher behavior. Publisher behavior. In publisher behavior, we ideally have two things. Okay, one with post publish after commit and publish immediately. But I'm saying let me publish after my commit. This is what my default option that I'm choosing. But if, as I mentioned, if your platform, if you want to operate your platform event irrespective of your transaction in the sense, even if your transaction fails, you want to publish your platform event, that time you can use publish immediately. Else, I can recommend to use publish after commit. This will consider more like transaction need to be successful. Okay, and this is in deployed state, saved, and we'll figure it out like what are the standard fields that will be available now. So we got created enter UUID and replay ID, and replay ID and UUID are the standard fields. Generally, right, UUID is generally a like a global unique identifier. It is available through API if you want, and replay ID is something where you can use to set resume functionality. Let's say you have 100 events has been published, but at one point you wanted to publish from particular event. If you are able to capture the replay ID, you can set resume and it will trigger from that event till to the last execution from the event bus. Okay, let's create a few custom fields to handle data. I'm creating a new, and here you can create a few fields. It's kind of checkbox, date, time, number, and text and long text area. You can't create much here. So let's say I'm saying text field. Next, and I'll label as a subject type, and length I'm giving like 30. I'm being 30 instead of, let me say, 100 alone, because we never predict like how long your object API name will be. And yep, this is one field that I created. And the second field I'll create here is long text area, which ideally should, my intention is to store my passing actual data. I'll try to leverage this platform event as my JSON. So let's say long text area, and it supports like as normal 131.078. Oh, 72. Okay. I'm saying maximum 131.070. I'm just leaving two characters. I'm saying this as a data. Okay. Visible lines, I'll say 10, and I say the overall look like, we'll see we have a two fields that we created. One is a text field and one is a text area. So this is my JSON object, and you can have your subscriber see. You don't have a subscriber head, but we can define our subscriber by doing some polls that we can discuss. But as I mentioned, we can write a triggers here. But here what we'll have, either everything is an after, there will be no before here, either after insert, right? So after insert, you can technically you can able to modify things. Yeah. So that's all. In my take a look at my next video, how you can publish events through API. Thank you for watching this. Keep follow procodingskills.com.